The views and opinions provided on this show are for informational purposes only and should not be misinterpreted as an offer to buy or sell any securities or to make or consider any investment or course of action. For more information, please go to passiveinvestorshow.com. Hey, real estate investors. Did you know that you can invest in real estate with your 401k or IRA? Through NewView Trust Company, you don't have to worry about the volatile stock market to make smart money moves. NewView has a free self-directed IRA guide you can get right now. That's right, PI listeners. I said right now. Go to newviewtrust.com to get your hands on it and learn more. Since their founding, NewView Trust has strived to provide clients with the broadest possible choices in their IRAs. So head to newviewtrust.com to download their free guide that could help you invest your retirement account in real estate and much more. That's NUVIEW trust.com. newviewtrust.com. The more you know, the more we grow. Happy investing.
Are you a busy professional looking to diversify your portfolio? Ever wanted to passively invest in real estate but don't know where to start? John Fortes provides you with a guide to passively invest in real estate. This is the Passive Investor Show.
And now, the Passive Investor Show. Here's your host, John Fortes.
Welcome, PI listeners, to the Passive Investor Show. I'm the passive investor consultant, John Fortes, your host of the only ranked podcast for passive investors in multifamily syndication and fund of funds. Our goal and purpose of the show is to be a resource to passive investors and help them master their passive investments by beating inflation 1% at a time. As part of our Investor 101 series, we're going to talk about the two-tiered return structure. What a two-tier return structure is, it's part of the capital stack. It gives investors more choices when placing equity into a multifamily syndication opportunity. Investors can invest in either Class A or Class B. This allows investors to match investment goals. So for limited partners, this is becoming a common trend. Class A structure looks more like you just get a preferred return, and it's a higher preferred return with no equity upside. And what does that look like? It's for $100,000 of your investment, you're only getting 10% a year, as opposed to Class B, where it would be already structured for you, and it looks like you're getting 7% preferred return a year with a 70-30 split. And what the 70-30 split mean overall is, at the end of the day, you get upside as part of that investment when the asset is sold. So you are 70% of that. And when there might be even an additional hurdle that when that IRR of X amount hits, then the operators have outperformed the asset. So if they went above and beyond and hit that targeted IRR, let's say the IRR target was 15%, anything over that 15% IRR will now be 50-50 split to the equity partnerships. So in the same investment, if you only had Class A shares, you would only be getting 10%. If you had only Class B shares, you would be getting 70-30 split on 7% preferred return a year annually until the asset is sold. So on the Class A shares, when the asset is sold, you still just get that 10%, nothing else. On the Class B shares, you share with the equity upside. And I know what the next question you're going to ask me, John, can we do both in an investment? You can absolutely do both in investments. So that is the two-tiered capital stack. PI listeners, thank you for listening. As always, we hope this was the best resource for your investment strategy, but also the best use of your time. As much as it pains us to leave you, but you know what time it is. Time to go put this into practice. Till the next time we meet. Happy investing. PI listeners, I'm grateful for your time and I appreciate you for listening. It would mean the world to me if you went to iTunes and left a rating and written review. Let me know how you feel about the show. It really makes a big difference with getting the podcast out there. Don't forget about our Facebook group, where all of our guests are members of. I'll be there to answer any of your questions, or even questions you might have for future guests. Subscribe so you can get the latest episodes and our fan favorite quick hitters. Finally, I want to keep you updated, so head over to johnfortes.com and sign up for the newsletter. If you're interested in partnering with me, sign up on the contact page so you can talk to me directly. I look forward to connecting with you. Happy investing.